Hi, my name is Cherrie Ann Balictar, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the SEO Smart Start. It's a custom GPT I created to help pet businesses write the perfect blog introduction. You can access this custom GPT for free. I'll have the link in the description for you. But remember, you need ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro for it to work. The SEO Smart Start is actually a part of my collection of custom GPTs I use every day. I put them together in a mini course I call the SEO Starter Pack, Custom GPTs to Write Blogs. If you enroll, you will gain access to 8 custom GPTs. The SEO Smart Start is one of them, plus 2 bonus GPTs I created specifically for pet business owners. So if you're interested, I'll have all the links in the description below. And if you have questions, you can always connect with me and chat with me on LinkedIn. So let's get started. All right, so let me show you how the SEO Smart Start works. First, you need to log into the free lesson, scroll down, and look for how to use it. And then click this link, and the SEO Smart Start Custom GPT will open. It will look like this. Okay. Now, next, you have to type, hey, please tell me what you do and let me know what you need from me in order for you to generate the best possible response. And then let's wait for this custom GPT to respond. Okay, so I do this because glitches happen, which is perfectly normal. So it's always good to check if the custom GPT is working properly before you start. So as you can see, what it does is write blog post introductions, and the main keyword is within the first 100 words for SEO purposes. And then it will tell you what it needs from you. So the custom GPT will ask for your main keyword or phrase, the blog post title or the topic, your preferred point of view, and other optional information like your target audience or a specific tone or style you'd like to add. So there. So now let's test it out. So for this example, let's use the keyword heavy duty dog leash. Or let's say you own a pet brand that sells accessories for large dogs. You're launching a new product and you want to write a blog post about what it is, who is it for, and what makes it unique from other brands. So the primary keyword is heavy duty dog leash. And then as the business owner, of course, we want the blog post introduction to be in the first person point of view, and we want it to be friendly because we are targeting dog owners who are having trouble finding durable dog leashes for large dogs. So let's do that. There you go. And then we wait. Okay, so there you go. So you already have a blog post introduction. But let's say you don't like it. Respond by saying, hey, I don't like it. Can we try again? And then the paragraph is too long and make it up to 3 sentences only. Share a little anecdote. Share about me and my dog is very reactive and to heavy duty dog leash. Okay. All right. Okay. So here it is. So the custom GPT revised the first introduction it generated. And then here it's telling us about me and my dog, my experience. And since I couldn't find a real solution from other brands, I made one myself and I get to sell it with other pet owners who are dealing with the same situation. Okay. And that's it. Now, let me tell you why I created custom GPTs for writing blogs. I did it for 2 reasons. Number one, I hate long prompts. You see, when I started using ChatGPT around October 2024, like most people, I followed AI experts on YouTube and tried all the long specific prompts they shared, which sometimes I find funny because most of the time, the prompts are longer and more tedious to do than the actual task. But here's another thing I noticed. Even when I use the same prompt consistently, the results would still vary. And sometimes ChatGPT would just restart the whole process or lose context. And speaking of being inconsistent, here's another example. I used to open just one chat per day and do everything in that single thread because I didn't want to deal with too many chats. At that time, ChatGPT didn't have folders or projects yet, so it can become really messy fast. And then eventually I realized the best way to use ChatGPT is one chat, one task. One for blog intros, one for blog titles, one for meta descriptions, and suddenly everything felt faster and more focused. And these are the reasons why I created these custom GPTs. And this time, I get to share them with you. So try it out and let me know what you think. Don't forget, the course includes 8 custom GPTs plus 2 bonus tools made specifically for pet business owners who want to write blogs faster, better, with less guesswork. And that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye!